The 2012 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, running boards, power steering, front air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.